Okay, so in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use dark mode on your Mac. So let's get started. So first and foremost, what is dark mode? Well, dark mode is a visual setting on your Mac that changes all of your windows from the light color that you'll see on my screen at the moment to a dark color. So it might seem quite arbitrary. Why would you want to make your screens dark? So one of the main reasons is it can make it a little less straining on the eyes, and that's particularly if you're working in low light situations or you're doing a lot of work on your laptop at night. That dark mode can kind of help with eye strain. Otherwise, it really is just a preference thing. Okay, so me personally, I use dark mode because I just think it looks better and it's something that I'm used to. So how do we go about activating dark mode? Well, first thing is we're going to click on our System Preferences button. We're going to go to General. And what you'll see is the first option that we have is Appearance. And we have three different options. Light, which is what's selected at the moment and is selected by default. Dark and Auto. So let's go ahead and click on Dark. So you can see now my window, my bar at the top, and even my background have switched over to a dark mode. Okay, so now every screen I have, instead of having that light grey, has essentially got that very dark grey tone to it. So you can easily switch between light and dark in your general system preferences option. The third option, Auto, so if we hover our mouse over, you can see it says automatically adjust the appearance of buttons, menus and windows throughout the day. So I spoke about why you might want to use dark mode, and I talked about, at night time or in low light, dark mode can be more useful. So what automatic does is, you can see I've selected auto and it's put me into light mode. So the reason it's put me into light mode is it's currently daytime. I'm in a room with lots of lights overhead as well, so it's keep making my screen nice and bright. Now as time progresses and it gets darker, or I am working in a darker room, that will progress over to dark mode. So essentially it gives you the best of both worlds, gives you a nice bright screen during the day and a darker screen at night to help with that eye strain. Ultimately it is your preference, but like I said, I like to use dark mode most of the time, but if you're not sure, try the auto mode and have that light mode in the day and that dark mode at night. And that's it. So nice and quick. Hopefully you now know what dark mode is, why you might want to use it, and how you can go about activating that on your Mac. I'll see you in the next video.